What an amazing journey it has been for the 17th consecutive season of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. We have had 95 matches, starting with the Quest for Quiz series in the summer and then the main draw since September. And now we're down to the big one, the grand finale. Hello everyone and welcome to our best of the season of Junior Schools Challenge Quiz feature. I'm Kadeen Foote. Set your alarms and mark your calendars for the live grand finale on Tuesday, December 10 at 6 p.m. right here on TVJ. Since inception, this quiz has captured the imagination and attention of people across Jamaica, and in 2019, it was another superb season. The first big moment of 2019 was actually the first match, where 2017 champions George Headley Primary faced the very first winners, Wilmer's Prep. It was a wonderful matchup, but the team from Duane Park did just enough to prevail.
George Headley.
No, Jeremiah.
Correct. English language. Correct the error in this sentence. The road was... And we won't be able to finish that question. That is the bell signifying the end of today's match. The final scores now read George Headley Primary on 38 points and Wilmer's Prep on 29.
Five-time champions Mona Prep returned from their 2018 absence with a bang.
What's the name for the path of a planet?
Orbit.
That's right.
As they almost rattled off 50 points in their opening match against Portsmouth Primary.
Mathematics. If x equals 7y and y equals 5, what is 3x? Mona?
105.
That's correct. Social studies. The Ligony Plain is in which Portsmouth?
St. Andrew.
In which Jamaican parish? That is correct. Bible knowledge. Which disciple walked on water to Portsmouth,
Peter.
but then became distracted and began to sink? Peter is correct. And that bell signifies the end of the match.
Defending champions Mount Airy All-Age showed that their performance in 2018 was no fluke, as they charged out of the gates with an impressive win over Haddo Primary. Mathematics. What is 7 divided by 4 as a decimal to the nearest tenth? .8. Social studies. Into how many counties is Jamaica? That's Mount Airy.
3.
Divided, that is correct. And we move on to Bible knowledge. In the story of the prodigal, the bell ends today's game with the scores Mount Airy on 42 and Haddo on 8. Meadowbrook Prep showed that they had title ambitions with an awesome victory over DuPont Primary. Local affairs. Who is the Speaker of the House of Representatives? That's Meadowbrook.
Colonel Charles Sr.
In Jamaica, that is correct. Mathematics. What is 17 squared minus 3 squared? Meadowbrook.
316.
Incorrect. It's 280. And at the end of this match, we have Meadowbrook on 40 and DuPont on 5. Other excellent round 1 performances came from Hopewell Prep over Frankfield Primary, Greater Portmore Primary over Lanneman's Prep, and Angels Primary over Black River Primary.
English language. Spell interference. Hopewell.
INTERFERENTE.
Correct. General knowledge. In the health sector, which group of medical conditions is abbreviated STD? The answer would have been sexually transmitted diseases. And that's the bell signifying the end of this round and the end of today's match.
General knowledge. What is the name of the layer of Earth's atmosphere that absorbs the majority? Greater Portmore.
Ozone layer.
Damaging ultraviolet light from the sun, that is correct. Local affairs. Who is the general manager of Television Jamaica? Lannemans.
Gary Allen.
Incorrect. It's Claire Grant. Mathematics. What is the product of 10,000? That's the end of the match.
Bible knowledge. In which Psalms does it say, "The Lord is my light"? Angels.
Psalms 27.
And my salvation. Correct. English language. Correct the error in this sentence. Any student who do well will, Angels,
Those should be does. Those should be does.
will be rewarded correct. And that is the bell signifying the end of the round and the end of today's match.
More action to come when this best of season feature on the 2019 season of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz returns after these messages.